Hello. All right, that's a very strange looking way to start this off, but I wanted to just share my screen to show you. We're going to go over bulk uploads with Hootsuite. It's really important that you share things on your Twitter every single day. And a lot of times people's accounts don't grow as quickly because they're not sharing as much. It gets really easy to share things like just what's going on in your life, but when it comes to maybe some more pre-planned things like you're getting ready to film something, you're going on cam, or you have a set coming out pretty soon, sometimes that can be hard to remember always to do. Plus, it's a great idea that if you have a new set, photo set, or video that's come out, to post about it more than once. Usually every time a new one comes out, I recommend that people post about it 3 times, maybe once a day for 3 days. But also, it's a great idea to have a bunch of recycling tweets that go out about older content. Just because it went out once doesn't mean that people don't want to still see it. And the best way to make sure that you're sending people there is to have tweets that are going out on a regular basis that let people know. This can be a real pain to remember to do constantly. So this is why creating bulk uploads of tweets that automatically go out can really help you manage this. So you need to start with Hootsuite because this is the tool that you're going to use to broadcast to upload. So with Hootsuite, they have a really nice way that you can schedule. I already have our account pre-selected, so you select your Twitter account and then you go into Compose. So there's 2 ways that you can schedule. You can do it by hand, where you enter in all the information right here in the Compose message. This includes adding photos. And then you can hand schedule it, or you can auto schedule it, which will put it at optimum times for optimum exposure. Or you can bulk message uploader. If you are doing photos, you have to hand schedule photos. You cannot bulk upload photos. So that takes a little bit more time, but you can just kind of sit down and do a whole bunch. But if you're looking at text-based tweets, you just click the bulk uploader and it takes you here, and it asks you for a file. The file is pretty easy to create. They even give you a sample CSV. CSV stands for comma separated value. This can be opened up in a text.txt or a text editor, or it can be opened up in Excel. We're going to open it up in Excel. I have already downloaded. So if you look at these here, right? These are basically some tweets. So you have the date, you have the time, you have your text, and then here's the link if you want to have a link. So all of that is pretty straightforward. If you upload this and it pops a bunch of errors, usually 9 times out of 10 it's going to be because of this little box right here. This little box seems like it's really simple, but it's not. I recommend changing it in format. So just highlight the column, right click, do format cells, and change this to text as opposed to number or general. When you change it to text, it'll keep everything exactly as you have written it, which is important because these little zeros there, you need those. See, and right here, you need to have those in the file, otherwise the file can have some issues. Additionally, the way that the date is set up is you have to have your full year. You can't write 15, so it has to be 2015. Otherwise, it won't upload properly. So once you write your text and you put your link in, you're ready to upload. A couple other notes on this. If you're uploading something with a link, don't make your text any more than 115 characters, because that with the link can make your tweet over 140 characters, and it will get bounced by Hootsuite. So keep your text under 115 characters. Easy ways that you can do that is type something that's 115 characters long and then adjust this so that way it's that length. So you know that if you have a tweet that's going longer than the length of your cell, then it's over 115 characters. But so you write your text, put your site link in there, make sure you have your date, have 2015. It needs to be in military time. So like this would be 225. 1425 would be 225. And if you're not sure how to use military time, there's easy ways that you can calculate military time values through the internet. Just look it up. Google will auto translate that for you. So you don't need to add AM or PM because military time automatically indicates that. So what you want to do is you want to save and go ahead and just say continue here. and then you go back, right? You submit the network. You can upload this to a variety of other networks as well, but you submit the network, and then you click your file, and then when you're ready, you just click submit. It says successfully scheduled 4 messages. Yay! To check those messages, what you need to do is in your panels, you need to add a stream. So you add the stream for scheduled, and we're going to refresh. And look, there you go. You have the 4 tweets that are ready to go. And that's it. You can upload 50 at a time. You can have up to 350 scheduled. And you can have it email you when your scheduled your scheduled tweets have run out, so that way you always know. So I recommend going in, writing a whole bunch of tweets that are talking about your content, sending links to it, and then also spend some time and do some hand loading with the scheduling, especially for the photos. Add photos in and then hand schedule those, so that way you have photos that are going up every single day. Now, just a side note, if you upload photos from Hootsuite, it doesn't automatically put them in Twitter. It puts a link, so that way when people open it, you have to click the link. If you do scheduling from Twitter directly, which you can do, it'll natively put the photo in there, so that way you see the photo when people go directly to your feed. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. If you get stuck, if you're having any issues, there's a lot of forums out there where you can just kind of Google your question, and a lot of really great videos, or you can ask in the Model Central community forum, and myself or somebody else would be more than happy to help you.
Hello.
Hello. Told you it'd be fast. I just had to film a little thing on how to bulk upload in Hootsuite for the Model Central community. I'm like, for this thing that I do.
Something.
Yeah, I just needed like this quick, so they're gonna get this like, wow, you sound all stuffy, congested crap. It's like, yep. That's exactly it. And then I want to send you, I'm just going to forward you this email from Ryan, because it has, oh yeah, it's just social@mypoint.com. Okay, all right. I have too many things open. Oh, is that actually going through? Okay, so theoretically that's submitted. Let's see. I'm like a pile of just nonstop snot.
Are you blaming that child of yours?
Oh yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, he gave me his cold. And now I'm on the other side of it, so now I'm just like the fountain of snot.
Well, it's
just lovely. Yeah, so I keep going back and forth today between feeling okay and feeling like crap. But yesterday I felt like crap pretty much most of the day. So it's an improvement, I guess. Oh, look at that, errors. What are all these? I said, hey, look at that, errors.
Are these errors? Or are they just not published?
No, those look like all errors, right? Updates with errors. Yeah, those are all errors.
Oh.
Yeah.
This stupid thing, stop popping up. Hate you. Webcam options.
Your 26 characters is not over 140 characters.
This says it's.
But see, like the 126, it says 126 not published, posting status update.
Yeah. Status is over 140, and it says 186. It's like, but it says 126 over here.
Yeah, I think the error code is 186, but none of those. What the fuck is this?
Oh, see, this one says just.
Oh.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, the Keith's one we know is true because
kit mode
is suspended currently.
Suspended. So that could just be marked for deletion, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or just delete it.
Yeah, we can just delete it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Let's see.
If this webcam controller does not stop.
Okay, this is just an API issue. When they say they're 132 characters or under that and they're still being bounced,
yeah,
that means that Twitter's having an API issue.
Oh, okay. So
every once in a while. Yeah, every once in a while that happens. Like the flirt of the day. Okay, the flirt of the day could be because that's 109 and that would have an image. So, and it said error creating status. So I would actually change, we need to probably knock off 3 characters off that.
Oh.
I could just, yeah. You could just change the and to an ampersand.
Oh, well, it helps. Let's see.
Oh. Dude, see, like, why would this one? Escort Amy is a former U.S. athlete and model gone naughty and is available for your pleasure, but it's 118 characters. Wait, but is that 118 characters? Second. Is that 118 characters with? It's like pocket arrows in this thing. Hello, open usage. My computer's like going way slow right now. Yeah, Joe figured out why Jody's computer was running so slow.
Oh, why is that?
She was running 3 different antiviruses at the same time.
Whoa.
And I was like, you only need 1. He's like, yeah. But she said she thought 1 wasn't turned on, so she installed 2 more. It's like, just turn it on.
Well, just, what the, come on.
It just, there's no sense there to me. Like, I have issues. I'm like, what do you mean? It's like, but just fucking turn it on. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. See, now this one should never have made it through, and it should never have made it through copy either. The Escort Amy. Escort Amy is a former U.S. athlete and model gone naughty and is available for your pleasure. It's 118 characters with an image. And it can't be.
I see. I see. That should be under, what, 105 or something?
Yeah, basically like 106. So I'm fixing it. But that one is likely in, so I'm going to look it up. That one is likely actually in repeatable. So I'm going to go find it. Escort all profiles management. Maybe. And there it is. Hey, and then there's another one that has 115 right underneath it. So and I'm just going to fix the other one because it's going to pop an error. Like, that's a guarantee it's going to pop an error. Escort Amy is open to meeting U.S. gentlemen who appreciate who love companions of a higher caliber. Ladies of a higher caliber. Look, 105 done. Yay. One or more of the image is too large? Okay. I mean, fuck it, we'll just delete it. That's weird. No, it's all we have that happen when an image is too large. It's not normal though. Nightfoot World, what's that error? love this. Posting status update unsuccessful. Twitter responded with an HTTP status code of 503. The best course of action is to simply reschedule the tweet.
Awesome.
Okay. How about publish now? Let's try that. Publish right now.
Just do as I say.
Yeah, it's like, what is going on? Yeah, every once in a while you'll have ones where it's just like, this doesn't even make sense. Oh, that one is totally over 140 characters. Okay. CA. Ah! I thought trying to fix that one. Maybe she didn't fix the... Like, she had one in there, she's like, there's one that's too long and you wrote it. What do I do? I'm like, you fix it.
Yes, you edit it, because that's what
it's
you do.
Just, it's not that hard, man.
You're the editor. Edit it.
Yeah. Basically.
If I write a tweet, I'm officially a writer right now, and you edit the writers.
Right. Just edit it. It's fine. It's not a big deal. I probably wrote one and then didn't realize I wasn't supposed to put an image on it, and put an image on it, and that's why it's too long. So either pop it in without the image or just edit it. It's fine. It's really not that big of a deal. She gets really weird with editing my stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I don't know why.
Well, she's probably scared because she thinks you're doing something specific or whatever.
Yeah, but if there's a clear error.
Yeah, if it is clearly popping up as an error, well, the tweet didn't go out, so fix it.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm the first to say that. Yeah, so like some of these are just error creating status. Okay, so like with that one, I'm just going to try to have them publish it an hour from now. So I'm just editing and going like publish hour from now. Yeah, see those two right there. There's 2 days or once a year. You join Shush, you won't stop watching. Porn for women. Over 140 characters. Well, I know for a fact that 126 characters is not over 140.
It says whether it's for 2 days or a year once. Wow, that's like whether it's for 2 days or a year once you join. You won't.
Alright, I'll check back in a few minutes and see if any of these popped errors. Right now it looks fine though. Yeah, go to YouTube.
Why you do this?
Hi.
Why? Why you do this to me, Dimi?
What?
You went away.
I don't know.
All talky, and gone.
Alright. That was weird. Alright, I'll check back. Oh, I know what this is. These pop errors. Oh shit. Right now it's fine though.